Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. Today's video, we have this makeup look going on inspired by the one and only J.LO and the makeup look that she wore during Super Bowl. How incredible did she look? So I'm using this Viseart palette and this is such a beautiful brand. So I'm dipping into these two brown colors and they are so pigmented. I'm focusing on the crease because, you know, we really want to have that smoky eye effect going on. So as you can see, I don't work really precise because these eyeshadows, they blend like a dream. I'm just putting it into the crease and then I take a fluffy brush and I blend the edges, go back into the crease, darken it up, and then blending it again. I do this until I think the eyeshadow looks intense enough. I also focused on the inner part of the eye. Then I took this blue and purple color, I mixed the two shades, and I applied this into the crease. I believe her smoky eye was not super warm, that's why I picked these shades. It was more like a cool purple, not too extremely cool actually, but purple gray-ish smoky eye, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm darkening it up with these two colors. I also took the dark brown color and I just blended until, you know, it was smoky enough. As I've mentioned before, I didn't want this look to look too warm, so that's why I went in with a purple color just to give it a little bit more of that coolish effect. And then I went in with kind of a silver, kind of a champagne color, somewhere in between a warm and a cool shade on my eyelids. Then for my base, I took this drugstore foundation. This is a Fresh Wear Infallible from L'Oreal, and it's pretty dark, but I tried to match my neck. And for concealer, I went in with this Dior Forever Skin Concealer, which is a great concealer. I went in pretty light because I really want to have that, you know, highlight contour effect going on because she was extremely contoured. So yeah, that's why I went in pretty heavy with this contour. This is the Tantour product from Huda Beauty. I believe this is in the shade Fair, and this voiceover is harder than I thought. I'm just out of breath already. But I really went in with this product to really get that J.Lo bronzed forehead going on. At first it seems a bit muddy, but once you blend it, it is going to look amazing. I use my Blendiful from Tati Beauty and I actually really like this applicator. This blends everything so well. This is becoming my favorite applicator really quick. So I'm baking also with the Blendiful. This is the flour powder, loose powder from Beauty Bakery. Usually I go in a little bit higher with my baking powder, but you know, this is typical J.Lo, starting really high and then ending pretty low to really get that, you know, J.Lo jawline, cheekbones effect. And to define and to bring in a little bit more depth into my contour, I went in with the sculpting powder from Charlotte Tilbury, which is also one of my fave. And yeah, I just really defined my contour. Also use the same powder to contour my nose. I didn't really extremely contour, but just define it a bit more. Under my eyes, I'm baking with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's a pretty light one, but as I said, I really wanted to be super contoured. And I also contoured my lips, which I never do. But I do believe that it made quite a difference because I think Scott Barnes, you know, the makeup artist from J.Lo, does this with her lips as well. So that's why I give it a try and I actually like it. I got rid of all the powder with a big fluffy brush. And then unfortunately my camera didn't film this part, but I've used these blushes. I will link everything in the description box below, and this Viseart nude palette. I hope you guys liked it too. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And I'll see you guys in my next one.